Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be doing a home remedy that will make you look younger than your age. It will get rid of wrinkles, get rid of fine lines. This remedy is simple, natural, and all the ingredients you can find in your kitchen. So without much ado, let's hit right into this video. What we'll be needing for this recipe will be banana, yogurt, rice flour, and coconut oil. This is 1 teaspoon of coconut oil that I had to melt. So let's get started. What you want to do is when you get something like that. Now you want to go in and add your yogurt. I'll be adding a teaspoonful, or I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of the yogurt. Then you want to mix that well. Then I'll go ahead now and add 1 tablespoon of the rice flour. I'll give this a good mix. You want to go ahead and pour in your coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil at home, you can use olive oil or sunflower oil. I'll go ahead and apply this on my face. Okay guys, to apply this, I'll just use my fingers. To apply that. Okay guys, after applying that, I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes. If you don't have time to wait, you can use a hand dryer on very low heat and use that to help you dry it up. But if you have time, you wait for 20 minutes, then you rinse this off with warm water. Then the leftover that I have here, I'm going to store this in a tight container, and you can leave this in the fridge for 3 days. If you don't have a tight container, you can put it in an aluminium paper. It will help It will help to store the moisture of the product. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and wash this. It's been 20 minutes now. I'll go ahead and wash this now with lukewarm water. Okay guys, I'm using the African black soap for my face. Okay guys, you can see how fresh my face looks like. I'll go ahead now and apply my oil. I'm applying the olive oil. You can apply any oil of your choice. Okay guys, that was it for this tutorial. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you try it, leave your comment in the comment section below and tell me how it feels on your face. If you like videos like this one, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any video from me. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.